Hi guys, paper cutting craft with Goodman here. The Starry Night is an oil-on-canvas painting by the Dutch post-impressionist painter Vincent van Gogh. Van Gogh assigned an emotional language to night and nature that took them far from their actual appearances. Widely regarded as Van Gogh's magnum opus, The Starry Night is one of the most recognizable paintings in Western art. Today let's recreate this masterpiece with paper cutting craft. Here you're gonna need color paper, 170 GSM, foam stick as spacers, art knife, silhouette or Cricut machine, square wooden frame, 22 by 28 centimeters, depth at least 8 centimeters. Link for purchase the template at the description box. After purchasing, upload the file on Cricut Design Space and let the cutting process begin. This part is quite satisfying. Be careful with all small details. Here is all the layers after cutting process. I'm going to glue spacers around the edges of the first layer and then glue the next layer on top of it. Make sure the layers are properly lined up. Repeat this process until all the layers are glued together. You can put the mica into the box, and then push the cardstock and foam core layers into the light box until they touch the glass. Don't forget to clean the glass from the inside, because you won't be able to remove the layers without ruining them. Finally, our light box is done. What do you think about it? Leave your opinion at the comments section to let us know what you think. If you like our tutorial, give us a thumb up. If you have any question, please leave your comment below, we're here to help.